Travel opens your heart, broadens your mind, and fill your life with stories to tell. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read by the title, today's video is a travel vlog. So, you might be wondering how, when, and where we are traveling. We decided to visit our paternal and maternal grandparents. To kickstart this new year 2021, we made a plan to visit them on 30th of December. So this is we traveling through road, and literally it was a 14-hour road trip, but our first stop was at Gwalior, which is my paternal place. So the next day was New Year's Eve, and this is all the treat that we enjoyed for the new year. So, after the New Year's celebration and one day rest, we visited the famous Jaivilas Palace. And what you see right now are these beautiful pictures I captured of the Jaivilas Palace. It is an amazing place in Gwalior. If you guys ever visit Gwalior, I would highly recommend you to visit this place. It was amazing. Just look at the architecture, guys. Isn't it beautiful? I was in love with this place. Visiting your cousins is incomplete without a movie night. So, me and my cousins watched a horror movie as well. And we also enjoyed these yummy and tasty delicacies. So, after staying at Gwalior for a week or so, we then headed for Jaipur, which is my maternal place. Now, look at this beautiful mustard farm, guys. This definitely reminds me of the famous scene of DDLJ. After taking one day's rest at Jaipur, we then went for the Jaipur tour. So, for the next few minutes, you're gonna see the glimpses of Jaipur, worldwide famous Jaipur, the Pink City. This is the famous Johri Bazaar of Jaipur, amazing for shopaholics like me. Okay, so our first stop at Jaipur was Albert Hall. Just look at the architecture of this place. This is beautiful. So, Albert Hall Museum is the oldest state museum of Rajasthan. Now, the thing I was most excited to see, the mummy. Yes, it's the real mummy, guys. Now we are on our way to the Amer Fort. So I had visited Amer Fort before as well, but this is such a beautiful place that we couldn't resist to visit this place again. So after visiting the Amer Fort, we are now headed to explore the Nahargarh Fort. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. And yes, we even watched a puppet show. It was so much fun to watch. And now we are seeing a magic show. So, this is my brother, and he is getting a souvenir which is made of wax. So, this is what it turned out, and this is just looking so pretty. It is definitely going to be a lifetime souvenir for us. We even saw these miniatures of monuments in Jaipur. So, what you saw right now were the glimpses of Jaipur Wax Museum. Now we are headed to the actual Nahargarh fort. I was really surprised by the interior of this place. It is so beautiful. So this is the view from top of Nahargarh fort, and this is the mesmerizing view of the entire pink city. It is so pretty. After exploring Nahargarh fort, we are now on our way to Jaigarh fort.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
This was again a very beautiful place like all the other places in Jaipur, and this is the view I captured from top of Jaigarh fort. Isn't it pretty? And what you see over there is the Amer fort.
Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice.
Now we are on our way to the last stop of the day.
Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. And I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out.
So now we are here to see the famous Jaiwan cannon.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like.
After having a wonderful day exploring Jaipur, we are now going to my cousin's place. And as I said earlier, how can you not watch a movie with your cousins? So we again watched a horror movie. And yeah, we also ordered a lot of good food. So we ordered Rajasthani thali, we ordered the famous dal bati churma, and we also ordered pizza. And delicious sweets as well. The rest of the days I spent enjoying with my grandparents, my cousins, and my other family members. It was a very fun trip, and honestly, I enjoyed a lot. This was the first trip after this whole corona pandemic, and honestly, I enjoyed a lot, and this was one of the best trips of my life. And now we are returning back to our home. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you.